So after that, you use your, sorry for that, and you're welcome back, guys. After that, you use your ALT alternate, hit the enter button. You now say this is a photo of a Lexus car. I'm sure you know why we're including this. So as a web developer, try to include it in your job, okay? So let's run the preview, see how it goes. Bro, this is a picture of the image, and this is the picture of the Lexus car, alright? So the same thing I would like to do for the Benz, then I'll give you homework or classwork to do for additional favorite foods. Okay, so I'm going to close this right here. I'm going to include that my favorite car is also Benz. I like the Benz, bro. So for the Benz, we're going to include the HR element. So if you don't follow me, try follow me or ask me questions directly on my mail or my phone number. So what you do here in bringing out those the Benz car, you just say IMG SRC, hit the enter button. So you put your dot slash. Okay. Now you want to deal with you want to upload the Benz. Okay. You now click you hit the enter button for this. So you can include your ALT. ALT is equals to what? This is a picture of a Benz car. Alright. So let's see how it goes. Let's see show preview. Alright, you can have the Lexus here and you can also have the Benz. Why is the Benz not showing? Why is it not showing? Okay, I think there's some problem here. We did not close the tag. So this is how we close the tag. You use the slash and you close it here. So let's run it again to see a preview. Okay, so if you make mistakes in your code, take your time to read your code. You can see the Benz car right here, right? So I think that's all. So I'm going to give you an assignment. I'm going to make this folder available in my Google Drive so that you would upload a section titled other fruits I love. So you're gonna, I don't know, you do it this way, try to create a H3 element, a header 3 element that takes this title other fruits I love. Then upload the images from the assets folder. What are the images from the assets folder? You create a header called lemon, upload the image for lemon, create a header called mango, upload the image for mango. Then forget about this smiley, and that's my personal picture, so I'll delete that when I make it available for you. So what you need to do, submit to this mail, captain INIOBUNG @gmail.com. So I'll be anticipating your submissions, or hit me on WhatsApp 08 now +234 813 8223438. So if you like some personal lecture, you can let me know about that. If you have some questions, you can hit me on mail. If you are not really clear, you can go back again and watch these videos to have an idea of what is being said. So I'd like you to, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, you can indicate it in the comment section. I'll be there to pick up your questions and answer it for you. Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. The subject of computer file path is trying to show you the exact location where file resources are in your system. Okay, those resources could be linked to other web pages, could be pictures, could be videos, or any other thing at all. So you need to know the exact location where it's being located. Usually you have to go from your hard drive to where the folder is to where anywhere it's being located, but that's kind of like time consuming. So the relative file path makes it very easy for web developers to be able to do what? to identify files and upload them on their web page. So that's just a summary or a recap of what we've been able to do. So if you have any questions, you can hit me on my phone number or my mail, and I'll be ready to respond to your questions. So all this will be made available on the Google link for you to download to your system and also upload in your YouTube, in your VS Code, and practicalize what has been said. Alright? Okay? Do have a wonderful time.